Oh, shiitake mushrooms.
Don't post that on YouTube!
Dang it. Leland, how many times have I told you when you're done eating the cereal, go put it in the freaking sink? God, you've been home 12 hours and I'm already getting on my nerves.
I have only been playing with my new toys.
Your toys? What kind of toys did you get?
I'll show you. So this is Lightning McQueen, the racing Lightning McQueen.
Oh yeah. Is that from the new movie?
Uh-huh. And this is Miss Fritter. She is from...
Here, can I see?
She's
Get a close-up on her.
She's heavy for
She is pretty heavy.
She's heavy
Miss
for the
Fritter.
size.
She's like a... Well, she used to be a school bus.
Well, I think she's been a... and see
And
all
then
the
she
license.
became... She's like a mean-looking school bus.
See all the license plates?
Oh, yeah.
Those are all the people that she destroyed.
Well, she killed people?
No, she destroyed them.
Oh, wow.
Here, and look at this.
Stop.
Yeah, but in the movie, it's supposed to tilt, and then
It
it's a
cuts.
saw blade.
Yeah. Wow, that's mean.
Mm-hmm.
And here's Lightning McQueen.
Wait. See the horns? These shoot fire out.
Oh, whoa. Here's Lightning McQueen.
Right? This...
But we all know what he looks like.
No, because, they changed it up a little.
Oh, they did?
Yeah. And, see this? That's the spoiler. Daddy...
Oh, whoa.
At McDonald's and when we were gonna go.
Oh, so that's not a Disneyland toy.
Yeah. But look, it's Despicable Me.
Whoa.
That's the
It's from the
one.
new movie, huh?
Uh-huh.
Despicable.
Despicable Me.
Can't talk today.
Do this. Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, Despicable Me 3 is what I was trying to say.
Yeah.
Okay, any other toys?
Buzz Lightyear. I got
Oh, you had one of those when you were like a baby.
Look at his hand.
Whoa.
Look, no, not this hand.
His hand is broken. What happened? Did you break it already?
No, it wasn't attached that good. And the hand pieces are in here. I can rebuild it. I rebuilt it. But the laser, the wires broke off of it. It's not strong.
Well, it's a whip-off. You bought a toy at Disneyland, and it's already broken.
A little bit. Well, look. At least the lights aren't.
Right now, poised at the edge of the galaxy, Emperor Zurg has been secretly building a weapon with the destructive capacity to annihilate an entire planet. I alone have information that reveals this weapon's only weakness.
It doesn't sound like a Star Wars plot at all.
Buzz Lightyear to Star Command. Come in, Star Command. Go back, Doc. I have a laser, and I will...
He does not have a laser. His arm fell off. You do not have a laser. Don't act all tough. You don't have a laser.
What?
He's suffocating. Close his... There you go.
How dare you open a spaceman's helmet on an uncharted planet? My eyeballs could have been sucked from their sockets.
That one.
Whoa. Okay, what other toys do you have?
I think this is the last.
Oh, and then he also went to Legoland. Whoa, you bought a whole bunch of Legos?
Well, I got 2 sets of them. So you know that, Miss Fritter?
Yeah. Oh, you got another one?
Yeah.
But this one's a Lego one.
Oh, darn it. These horns came off again.
Alright, so
Got
what was her
one.
name again?
Miss Fritter, I need
Fritter?
a...
Okay.
There's
So
one
here's
more
a
horn.
Lego version of her.
I need another horn. These things
The
fall
horns
off really easy.
fell off.
These things fall off.
What she looks like. Lego version.
Lego Juniors.
Okay.
All these pieces.
So
are
we'll
cute.
put her next to the other one.
And this is
There's
a
both of
Lightning
them.
McQueen. Demolition Derby McQueen.
Oh, whoa. And here's a Lego version. Whoa, look how dirty he is.
It's because he's Demolition Derby.
Oh,
But
yeah.
clearly,
Demolition
in the
Derby.
whole movie, he's literally covered in mud. But look, so much.
So Leland really got spoiled at Disneyland and
I still got
Legoland.
more pieces.
These are all his toys.
I got more
I mean,
pieces.
look at all that. He still has a bunch of pieces.
My wheel. Oh well.
So yeah, that's a lot of stuff Leland got.
I want to go. This is
What? What do you mean this isn't enough? That's a whole bunch of toys right there.
I want to go to Toys R Us to get a fidget spinner.
Are you kidding me? No, there is no way you're going to Toys R Us. Your grandparents must have spent hundreds of dollars on all these toys for you when they took you to Southern California.
50 free.
That's a lot of stuff they bought you. You don't need any more toys.
Not 50 free, like 2 million.
So, you know, I totally didn't put the cereal up. He doesn't listen. It's still there. Because he cares more about the...
Right?
Who just started? Leland? What are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of the van!
I'm going to Toys R Us.
No, you're not. Get out of the van. Get out of the van. I mean it. Get out. No. Turn that off and get out of the van. Oh. Kel, what do you want, Kel? Whoa, no, hey! No, hey! Leland! Get out of the van. Leland! Stop the van, Leland. Leland, I mean it. Stop the van. Leland! Leland! Crap. Cannot believe this. There he goes. Wow, he knows how to use the turn blinker. That's impressive. I can't freaking believe this right now. Leland stole the minivan. He stole the minivan. And Kel and I, we are on hot pursuit right now. He's right there in front of us. He is not stopping. He is heading towards Toys R Us to get a freaking fidget spinner. He stole a minivan for a freaking fidget spinner. Such a lovely view up here. But that's not the point. Leland needs to freaking pull over right now. Yep, he's turning into Toys R Us. I'm amazed he even knew where to go. Turn it off right now. What the heck were you doing? What the heck were you doing? I cannot believe you drove here.
Quiet,
You sit down.
I'm gonna...
What?
Remember how I told you that I wanted a fidget spinner?
I don't care if you want a fidget spinner. You are never, ever, ever to take the family van and drive to Toys R Us.
Quiet, Daddy.
Mommy would yell at you too if she would just get off the phone. Hey, now you guys need to... Where are you going? Leland, where are you going? No, you're not getting a fidget spinner. You're not going inside. Get back in the van right now. You're not going inside. Leland, listen to me. You drove the van. You're only 8 years old. You are in so much trouble. I cannot believe you did that.
It's the worst black and white.
This is the worst thing ever.
Is it the worst?
Yes, this is the worst thing ever.
Oh, I think the black and white.
No. Leland, come on. Leland, no, we're not going inside. Leland, we're not going inside.
Oh, water toys.
No, no, you're not getting that. No, you're not getting that. Come on, we're going. We're leaving. No,
Oh, bone.
we're not getting anything. You're grounded. You're not buying any toys.
Oh, what is the fish thing?
I don't know. I don't care. Holy cow! Look at all this. Cars 3. Cars 3. Look at all this. You're not getting any of it.
This is Cruise Mirrors. Oh,
Okay, I do admit this is really cool. But you're not getting any of it. They have a whole display here. No. You're not getting anything. Come on. Mommy's waiting for us in the van, and Mommy's driving the van home. And you're going to sit in the back seat. No, you're not getting a fidget spinner, Leland.
Fidget Ninja.
Holy cow, look at all these. You already have these. Look at this kind.
I want a red.
That's a cool looking one. I admit these are cool, but no.
I want a red fidget spinner.
No, you're not going to get a fidget spinner. You don't deserve a fidget spinner. You stole the family van to drive here, and I had to chase you down in my vehicle.
Yeah. And Mommy.
Yeah, Mommy too, and she is so upset at you.
Who cares?
You don't care, do you?
Nope.
You need to care.
I need a red fidget spinner so I can do
You're not going to get
3 a.m.
a...
thing.
No, you're not going to do that.
Don't never spin.
I don't like the 3 a.m. thing.
Never spin free on 2 red fidget spinners at 3 a.m.
Look, they got more over here.
I'm gonna get this one.
Look at that. They got...
Hey, that's the one that
Look at that.
Dayton lost at my class. Hey!
Oh, yeah. Hey, that's the one you got.
No. It's not
Looks
the
a lot
same
like
detail.
that.
It's not the same detail.
It's not the same detail.
Yeah. I'm getting this.
You're not getting anything. I'm telling you, you're not getting anything. You stole the minivan. And you're not getting any cars. Stop it. You're not getting anything.
Will. Thank you, fans. We could use these.
Well, that's the kind you're gonna get, Leland.
Yeah. Mom?
Can't believe I'm giving in to you like this. I can't believe I'm letting you buy a fidget spinner. And you already have... Oh, that's the one that got thrown away. I think that's the one Leanna threw away.
Yeah. Why?
Well, what do you got there, Leland?
What's this?
Yeah, what is that?
It's a fan. Don't know.
It spins?
Yeah, it's a fan. It's, I think, a fan with candy in it. I also got something for...
Alright, go get your butt in the van.
Ow, on my back.
Oh, sorry.
Sunburn.
See, Mommy's over there waiting.
I also got something for me.
Alright, so you guys might notice my white car is next to the van. And the reason for that is that, okay, these videos are skits. So before you guys start freaking out, oh my god, you let an 8-year-old drive a minivan? No, my wife was driving the minivan the whole time, and I'm going to put a disclaimer in the description as well as the video so people don't start freaking out. We do these for skits, and we were just having fun, right, Leland? Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But you're still grounded
What? How am I still grounded?
because your kid temper tantrum.